Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hi friends, we are very happy to see you again.
Today we are talking about daily life in English.
Yes, this topic is very useful for beginners. Many people understand English when they listen, but they feel shy when they speak.
They think speaking English is very difficult.
They worry about grammar and mistakes.
But daily life English is actually very easy.
You don't need big words.
You don't need long sentences.
You just need simple words and short sentences.
And a little confidence.
So relax and enjoy this lesson.
Lena, how can beginners talk about their morning routine?
They can start with very simple sentences.
Simple sentences are best for beginners. For example, you can say, I wake up at 6 a.m. or I wake up early.
Then you can say, I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
After that, you can talk about breakfast.
You can say, I have breakfast at 8 a.m.
Or I eat breakfast with my family.
These sentences are very common.
You can use them every day.
Talking about your morning is very easy.
Because everyone has a morning routine. Now let's talk about work and study.
This is another important daily topic.
How do beginners talk about work or study in English?
You can start with simple sentences.
For example, I go to work.
Or I go to school.
If you are a student, say, I am a student.
You can also say, I study in college.
If you have a job, say, I work in an office.
Or I work in a shop.
Some people can say, I work from home. These sentences are easy and useful. You can use them in daily conversations.
People often ask about work or study, so it's good to practice these lines.
Lena, what about the afternoon?
The afternoon is also part of daily life.
What can beginners say about the afternoon?
You can say, I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Or, I eat lunch with my friends.
After lunch, some people rest.
So they can say, I rest after lunch.
Some people go back to work.
They can say, I work in the afternoon.
Students can say, I study in the afternoon.
All these sentences are short and clear.
Simple sentences are enough to explain your day.
You don't need to explain everything.
Just speak slowly and clearly.
Evening is an important part of the day.
Yes, many people feel relaxed in the evening.
After a long day, people come back home.
You can say, I come back home in the evening.
Or simply, I reach home in the evening.
After coming home, people like to relax.
You can say, I drink tea.
Or I have tea with my family.
Some people like fresh air.
So they can say, I go for a walk.
Others like to talk with family members.
You can say, I talk with my family.
Or I spend time with my family.
These sentences are simple and natural.
You can use them in daily conversations. Lena, free time is everyone's favorite time.
Yes. People love to talk about their free time.
How can beginners talk about free time in English?
They should use easy and common sentences.
For example, I watch TV.
Or I watch movies.
Many people use their phones.
So you can say, I use my mobile phone.
Some people like music.
You can say, I listen to music.
Others like games.
You can say, I play games.
You can also talk about reading. For example, I read books. Talking about hobbies is very useful.
It helps you connect with other people.
Now let's talk about nighttime.
Nighttime is the end of the day.
How can beginners talk about their night routine?
They can start with dinner.
You can say, I have dinner.
Or I have dinner with my family.
After dinner, people relax.
You can say, I watch TV at night.
Or I watch videos on my phone.
Then it is time to sleep.
You can say, I go to bed.
Or I go to bed at 10 p.m.
These sentences are very common.
You can use them every day.
So friends, daily life English is not hard. You don't need perfect English. Just talk about your day.
Speak in simple English. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Practice a little every day.
Talk to yourself in English.
Describe what you are doing.
Slowly, your confidence will improve.
You will feel comfortable speaking English.
Thank you for watching our video.
Keep learning and keep practicing.
See you in the next lesson.